Welcome to this quick guide on unfollowing groups on Facebook. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by post notifications or want a calmer feed, unfollowing a group is a simple reset you can do in minutes. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to adjust your groups. From there, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and give them a tap. This opens the main menu with all kinds of options, from your profile to settings and more. Next, scroll down until you see groups. Tap on group to view all the communities you're part of. You'll be presented with a list of groups you've joined along with some quick actions and recent activity. Find the group you want to adjust and tap on it to open its page and see the latest posts and updates. Once you're inside the specific group, locate the three dots at the top left of the screen. This menu is your control hub for actions related to that group. Tap on those three dots to reveal a few options. From the drop-down, select Unfollow Group. This stops new posts from that group from appearing in your feed while you stay a member. It's a clean way to reduce clutter without leaving the group entirely, so you can rejoin discussions later if you want to. If you ever want to re-engage with the group, you can simply unfollow it again or choose to follow it later from the same group page. Unfollowing is a non-destructive action, meaning your membership stays intact and you can return anytime with a tap. This is especially helpful for groups that spark frequent discussions or notifications you'd rather not see constantly. A quick tip: if you're managing multiple groups, consider setting up notification preferences within each group to tailor what you actually want to receive. You can customize alerts for new posts, events, or live videos so you stay in the loop on your terms. That's all there is to it. You've just unfollowed a Facebook group and your feed will feel a bit lighter and more aligned with what you want to see. If you found this helpful, drop a comment with questions or share tips that others might find useful.